Hello, today we will guide you through how to list a coin on CoinMarketCap. To begin, open your web browser and go to the CoinMarketCap website. This is the official platform where you can access the resources and support options needed to submit a crypto asset listing request. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct site and that the page has fully loaded before moving on. Next, scroll all the way down toward the bottom of the homepage. You are looking for the Support section, which is typically located near the footer of the website. Since this area can contain several links, move carefully and look for the option that will lead you to the support resources. If the page is long or still loading elements, give it a second so everything appears properly. When you find the support area, click on the Request Form link. This will take you to CoinMarketCap's support request page, where different types of submissions can be made. The request form is the place where listing-related inquiries are handled, so this is the correct starting point for submitting a coin or token. Once the form page opens, locate the drop-down menu on the form. Click the drop-down and choose Add Crypto Asset. This selection tells the platform that your request is specifically for adding a cryptocurrency asset rather than asking a general support question. Make sure the correct option is selected before you continue, because the form fields may change depending on the category you choose. After that, fill out the required information in the form. Enter the requested details carefully and make sure everything is accurate, complete, and up to date. This part is important because incomplete or incorrect information can slow down the review process. As you work through the form, review each field one by one and double-check your entries before moving forward. It helps to stay consistent with your project information so the submission is clear and easy for the review team to understand. Once you have completed the form, look over everything one final time. Confirm that all necessary fields are filled in and that the information is presented correctly. When you are satisfied that the request is complete, click Submit. After submission, your request will be sent to CoinMarketCap for review. At that point, the process is in their hands, so all you need to do is wait for the next update through their support system. That's how to list a coin on CoinMarketCap.